In my opinion, for NVIDIA, a lot of people are looking for downside moves, right? And I know the last 3 weeks we've been red. If anything, I believe this week we should end green. There might just be a little bit of a potential dip down towards 96. And I think 96 to about 117. I mentioned this so many times, but between 117 and 96 is a dip opportunity. I would look for a reversal in the next couple of weeks towards 142, even 153, okay? So long as we are below the middle Bollinger Band here on the weekly chart, I believe the lower Bollinger Band here should act as a support moving forward. Anything below the lower Bollinger Band, I would count as an entry or possible add-on point. That would be oversold in my opinion. I know on the RSI here, on the weekly chart, we see it at 40, 41. If we go into the daily chart, it's even lower, down to the 37. And on the 4-hourly chart, still at around 36. But going back into the weekly chart here, I think the most bearish case scenario, like I said, it's just going to be 96. And so adding small positions at a time in case we drop further down. And then I do expect to see that sharp reversal back up. It should be a lot quicker than most people expect. If you see here in the past, anytime we had a big dip for 3 weeks in a row or 2 weeks in a row, we saw a major recovery within the next 3 weeks after. And so here's 3 weeks of being red. I'm expecting this week possibly another halfway red and then green towards the end, and then a reversal back up towards the top side. So I think just be really patient with NVIDIA stock here. If you know this stock, if you have due diligence on the stock, just keep buying and buying the dip, dollar cost averaging in my opinion there, not financial advice. Look out for that recovery towards the middle and upper Bollinger Band. So middle Bollinger Band is going to be about 131, upper again closer to the all-time high at 153. Do I think that's going to be tested? I do. And the upside move from our current prices to the upper Bollinger Band is about a 37% move. If this is something you are interested in, let me know down below in the comments. Or do you think that NVIDIA is going to really truly dip down to 78 or 60? I don't think those levels are going to be tested. I think 90 is a possible level. 96 here is reasonable as well. But anything below this lower Bollinger Band, I think is a really, really good dip opportunity. Even below 117, I wouldn't even mind adding small positions at a time here. Because long term, I already think that we're going to get a retest of 153 and possibly even 180 within the first half of 2025. If you are in NVIDIA and you haven't joined a community yet, or you haven't joined our Discord yet, we do have a free to join link down below in the description. Over 32,000 people talking about NVIDIA stock on a daily basis. So check out the NVIDIA chat section on our Discord. Feel free to ask questions or share due diligence, articles. And if you're looking for our live entries and exits on stocks and options, you can join our Discord Patreon membership there. 90% off discount, permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. And all the alerts are shared by 20 analysts, all right? So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video for NVIDIA stock.